Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Jonna Martinez, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet these adorable bunnies. Thanks for watching. Now let's get started. For materials, you can use any yarn and any hook you like for this pattern. I am using 100% cotton worsted weight yarn, and for one bunny I'm going to need 9 yards or 5 grams. I am also using a G 4.25mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a wool needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Then chain 5. Slip stitch to your first chain to form a ring. Round 1, chain 3. Now double crochet 12 into this ring. 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And we're going to do that a total of 12 times all the way around this ring. Here I have 12 double crochet into the ring. This chain 3 at the beginning does not count as a stitch. Slip stitch to the top of your chain 3 to complete round 1. Chain 2. Round 2, we're going to place 2 half double crochet into each double crochet all the way around. 2 half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the top of the stitch, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're going to place another stitch right into the same stitch. And then we're going to continue in this fashion all the way around. 2 half double crochet into each stitch. At the end of round 2, you will have 24 half double crochet. Finish the round by slip stitching to the top of your chain 2. Round 3, chain 1. In this round, we're going to place a single crochet into the first stitch and 2 single crochet into the following stitch. We're going to repeat this all the way around. We're going to start off with 10 stitches and then make the bunny's tail. Then we're going to do 10 more stitches and make the bunny's feet. Then 9 stitches and we'll make the bunny's head and ears. Then we'll complete our work. Begin with your repeat. Single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochet into the following stitch. 2 single crochet, insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Now we're going to place 2 single crochet into this next stitch. Now just repeat this until we have 10 single crochet. 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the following stitch. Now that we have 10 single crochet, we're going to make the bunny's tail. Into the following stitch, we're going to place a single crochet. Chain 3. Now place 3 treble stitches into that same stitch. 2 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. I have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And we're going to do this twice more into this same space. After those 3 trebles are done, chain 3. Make sure this chain 3 is nice and tight. Then single crochet back into that same stitch. Now continuing with our repeat, we're going to place 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochet into the following stitch until we have again 10 stitches. Once we have those 10 stitches, we're going to make the bunny's feet into the following stitch. To do this, chain 1, then into this next stitch, place a double crochet. Chain 1, and double crochet again into that same stitch. Chain 1, and then we're going to continue on with our work. Again with this repeat, 1 single crochet, and then increase with 2 single crochet into the following stitch until we have 9 single crochet. Once we have those 9 single crochet, we have 2 single crochet remaining. If you look from the top here, it might look like you have 3. Don't count this fake stitch right here. That goes along with our chain. So there's 1, 2, our last 2 stitches. Now we're going to make the bunny's head and ears. Single crochet into your next stitch. Chain 4. Make sure these chains are nice and neat. Into the following stitch, which is our last stitch right here, we're going to place 5 treble stitches. Next, chain 8. Into the second chain from hook, half double crochet. Double crochet into your next 2 chains. Into your next chain, place 2 double crochet into the same chain. Double crochet into the last 3 chains. Next, we're going to slip stitch into our last treble of the head right here. And for me, I like to grab these 2 side yarns right here. So I go from the top of the stitch like this, and I grab that yarn right there, and then I grab that other yarn right there, and then I just slip stitch. So grabbing my yarn and pulling it through, and then through the loop on my hook. Next, for the second ear, chain 8. Half double crochet into the second chain from hook. Double crochet into your next 2 chains. Two double crochet into the following chain. Double crochet into your last 3 chains. Now slip stitch again into the top of that last treble of the head. So I'm going to go into those same 2 yarns on the side of the stitch like this and slip stitch. From here, to complete your bunny, you want to chain 3, again a nice tight chain, and single crochet into your last stitch, which is the same stitch that all of your treble are in right here. Slip stitch to the top of your first single crochet. Cut a nice long tail, yarn over and pull that tail through the last loop on your hook. And now you just have to flatten out your bunny. After you've done that, be sure to make him a friend. I hope you enjoy making these adorable bunny appliques. In the drop-down description box below, you will find additional information, including the link to the pattern that this tutorial is based on. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!